Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will show you how you can get your Redbubble account back from suspend in just 24 hours. I also Redbubble shut down my accounts twice in the past, and I will show you how I solved this problem. I will leave two letters in the description below. The first one, if Redbubble are closed your account for no reason, and the second one, if you make a mistake like copyright or trademark. For the new people, my name is Sad from Infinitive Passive Income. I provide videos about how you can make money with branch in the med business by showing you tips and tricks to increase your sales. So don't forget to hit the notification bells and smash that red button. Now let's start. The first time Redbubble closed my account is for I create a funny phrase about Nike, and I use the word of Nike in the title and also in the tags. And the second time is for no reason in the last December. I remember that month I do well and my designs start optimized in the first pages, and both times I use the methods I will show you on this video. Now first go to google.com and type Redbubble contact. Click at the first link. This is the page of Redbubble support. Now click at here. After, click here. Now click at these options. I am an artist and I have a question. After, click on inactive account. Now you must enter your Redbubble email and your information here. And you can use the letter in the description, or you can write your own. The second method is go to Facebook and search for Redbubble. After, send them a message, and if you use the first method and they were late in responding, you can use the second method. And I suggest to do the both. For myself, I contact them on the website, and also I send a message in Facebook page from two Facebook accounts, and after 24 hours they solve my problems. And if they take a longer time to respond, it's okay, but in the end they will activate your account again and you can back to work then. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.